Hi friends, I hope you all are doing fine. So as you can see, our app has been got for the protection, apply for a protection. So we need to fill this form. So how about your closer tester? How do you record your user and for the closer tester, for example, friends and family? So here is asking. So I am writing. I taken the help from the friends from the different city, and I asked them to install the app and test it. So how was it regarding the testing for your eyes? Is very difficult is there, because the friends who are there, they will say that why should we do another. Does your recommended record the receive your tester during your closet tester, including whether it is not a utilization feature that applies to the user? Most of my testers say it's good app to use and need to improve it more. Provide the summary of your uh, most of my testers says that sometime app is closing and sometime it was not working, so I need to update it. So you can write anything as you like, so it will be very convenient. Just you have to give the Google Forms, that's it. So what are the interested in the audios of your app? Users say it's so much useful app. Describe how you provide it. uh, it's so it was a help helpful app for the users who are wants to do the time pass. As I don't know about much about this app, so I'm just writing that. So how many install you have been expecting on first year? So I've been expecting like a 10K to 100K. And what did you make the your app based on your learning during your closet tester? I learned that I need to fix the app, and the problems I can find it so much useful. How do you decide the app is ready for exam? As my users say, for now it's good to be live. So the appeal has been submitted, so let's wait for the results and let's see how it will be going to be there. So actually, to be honest, I only don't know what kind of app is there. This is because it is one of my customer app is there. So it's like basically rainbow game app is there. This is, so that's the thing. I hope you really like my video. If it is anything, let me know. Thank you so much.